Sri Ramakrishna was sitting on his couch. He was in a spiritual mood, absorbed in contemplation of the Divine Mother. Now and then he chanted her hallowed name. Adhar was sitting on the floor. M and Niranjan too were there. Sri Ramakrishna began to talk to Adhar. Master. What? You have come just now. We have had so much kirtan and dancing. Shyamdas began the kirtan. He is Ram's music teacher. But I didn't enjoy his singing very much. I didn't feel like dancing. Later, I heard about his character. I was told that he had as many mistresses as there are hairs on a man's head. Didn't you get the job? Adhar held the post of deputy magistrate, a government post that carried with it great prestige. He earned 300 rupees a month. He had applied for the office of vice chairman of the Calcutta municipality. The salary attached to this office was 1,000 rupees. In order to secure it, Adhar had interviewed many influential people in Calcutta. Master to M and Niranjan. Hazra said to me, please pray to the Divine Mother for Adhar, that he may secure the job. Adhar made the same request to me. I said to the mother, O mother, Adhar has been visiting you. May he get the job if it pleases you? But at the same time, I said to her, how small-minded he is. He is praying to you for things like that, and not for knowledge and devotion. To Adhar. Why did you dance attendance on all those small-minded people? You have seen so much. You have heard so much. After reading the entire Ramayana, to ask whose wife Sita is? Adhar. A man cannot but do these things if he wants to lead a householder's life. You haven't forbidden us to, have you? Master. Nivritti alone is good, and not pravritti. Footnote. Nivritti and pravritti mean respectively inwardness of the mind and its inclination to outer enjoyment. Footnote ends. Once, when I was in a god-intoxicated state, I was asked to go to the manager of the Kali temple to sign the receipt for my salary. They all do it here. But I said to the manager, I cannot do that. I am not asking for any salary. You may give it to someone else if you want. I am the servant of God alone. Whom else shall I serve? Molik noticed the late hours of my meals and arranged for a cook. He gave me 1 rupee for a month's expenses. That embarrassed me. I had to run to him whenever he sent for me. It would have been quite a different thing if I had gone to him of my own accord. In leading the worldly life, one has to humor mean-minded people and do many such things. After the attainment of my exalted state, I noticed how things were around me and said to the Divine Mother, "O Mother, please change the direction of my mind right now, so that I may not have to flatter rich people." To author, be satisfied with the job you have. People hanker after a post paying 50 or 100 rupees, and you are earning 300 rupees. You are a deputy magistrate. I saw a deputy magistrate at Kamarpukur. His name was Ishwar Ghoshal. He had a turban on his head. Men's very bones trembled before him. I remember seeing him during my boyhood. Is a deputy magistrate a person to be trifled with? Serve him whom you are already serving. The mind becomes soiled by serving but one master, and to serve 5 masters. Once, a woman became attached to a Musalman and invited him to her room. But he was a righteous person. He said to her that he wanted to use the toilet and must go home to get his water jar for water. The woman offered him her own, but he said, "No, that will not do. I shall use the jar to which I have already exposed myself. I cannot expose myself before a new one." With these words he went away. That brought the woman to her senses. She understood that a new water jar, in her case, signified a paramour.